Beautiful day again in Darlington, 22 degrees I think, something like that. You know, get over this side though, chemtrail dispersing and dispersed. No, it doesn't look like much, but as you follow it along you see where it was a trail and it's not blown as much. It's length at sky in this white haze. I hope it's picking it up. Let's try and that way. Try and keep my bearings. Top of that lamp. Across to there. Other than that, beautiful sky. There's only a few clouds down that way. Normal. Just this lot over here. Don't know what the other one is. That's chemtrail.